I wanted to talk quickly about Groupware technology. We're an Open19 member, one of the first 4 that were mentioned earlier. I wanted to talk specifically about why a value-added reseller and system integrator would be so interested in Open19 and what is going to happen with Open19 that's going to change the landscape of the actual partners that you're utilizing as customers, who you reach out to consume something like Open19. I'm going to stay on the left-hand side here because I think the Flex guys forgot to spin down their workloads on the rack. But, what's the challenges today for customers that are looking at a commodity non-Open19 or any other solution offering is that typically you're going to only have 2 out of the 3 that you get to select in this particular configuration. You're either going to have low quality output, low priority, or something that's really expensive. You get to choose sort of the 2 out of the 3 model, which is a pretty common thing you hear in the industry. I really believe that Open19 is fundamentally going to change how we perceive this relationship working. I actually think that Open19 addresses directly in the middle what most customers are looking for, which is that correct balance of consistent quality, quick to deploy, and cost effective. So let me take you through the journey of what my company, what we do at Groupware Technology, actually does and provides for our customers. So we actually do large-scale rack and roll integration. We have a booth over there. You can see some of the builds that we do. There's a little video playing. But more importantly is, what do we actually deliver in value proposition? And it's getting from that far left, the challenges sort of section of getting all those boxes and everything else, getting that integrated together as a solution and the end result shipping out to the customer. This can take anywhere from 2 weeks to 4 months depending on what sort of prep work we do and what we do with you as a partner to help facilitate this. We believe Open19 will fundamentally change what we can deliver for our customers. We think we can get this down with Open19 of a delivery to 1 to 3 days as being not uncommon depending on the work that we do up front, and that we can actually do more value in a just-in-time model to actually deliver this end result, fully built integrated custom racks for our customers. And this is within any data center facility. So we've been doing this for a decade. Rack and roll integration is what Groupware has been known and built their brand on. And I think if you actually think about what Open19 provides, it's a natural extension of our capability to be able to deliver and actually have a better end result for our customers in terms of consistency, in terms of capabilities of what's provided inside the rack itself, the fact that we can have multiple manufacturers all participating in the same uniform hardware standard drives cost controls better, reduces components. There's a lot of strategic value in what's actually being provisioned. And so let's break down really quickly what we think those value propositions actually are. We're going to talk about, for the system integrator, standardization. This is important for us as the industry overall. Operational efficiency, something closer to just-in-time, common components, and component reduction, which I think is not valued as much in the industry today, but I think is super important for the work that the teams have done around Open19. For customers, this allows us to do some fundamental things for you. We can either burn in equipment for a longer period of time to test and validate it. We can do faster delivery. We can optionally load test and provide you application and installation integration. So there's a lot of other additional value-add components we can layer on top of what Open19 provides that is different than what we can do today. With that, one of Groupware's principal goals is actually to talk about and establish an Open19 lab. This is a location for customers to come and be able to see, touch, play with, integrate, test against Open19 hardware from all the major manufacturers. We're starting with Flex. We have a partnership agreement with Flex, but we are anticipating that we will have all the other manufacturers within our facility. We have 20 racks of equipment that we can stand up and populate for Open19. We're very excited to have customers be able to come, participate, and take a look at what we're providing. But we're very excited about what Yuval and the Flex folks have put together and provided, at least for us. We're very excited for the industry overall in terms of community contribution. I'm very excited to work with Cole Crawford, because he's a friend for a long time, with Vapor.io and what they're doing on the open software contribution. So I think if you're interested as a customer and you're trying to figure out the landscape of how to play, investigate, and learn more about Open19, we would be very happy to host you and talk more in depth about what we can do.